Alright y'all, it's basically picking it right up where we left off on the last vlog. Same day. Taking my vitamins right now. I take just a men's multivitamin, probably not even necessary, but I take it. Take vitamin D, and I take just a magnesium, potassium, calcium supplement, which is also probably not necessary because most of my potassium and sodium is coming from this Vega hydrator. I put 2 scoops, which is 800 milligrams total, 400 milligrams a piece of potassium, and then about a half a teaspoon of pink salt in here. So good. I've got client calls until 3 p.m., so I'm gonna knock all those out right now. And then we're shipping the bricks today, doing client calls today, and then we're meeting up with some friends that we haven't seen in a while, and we're gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings to get some wings, and I'm gonna keep it keto. By the way, the garlic parmesan and the salt and pepper, vinegar, salt and pepper vinegar seasonings are the best at Buffalo Wild Wings for keto. So that's what I'm gonna be chowing down on. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all, we got all the finished packages in the truck. About to go drop them off. Isn't that right?
That's right.
I'm leaving the post office now. Just dropped off. We filled up like 4 of those big old massive hampers. So yeah, we got lots of bricks coming y'all's way. Usually shipping is like pretty quick, especially if you're domestic. If you're international, it takes a little bit longer, but those will be headed to you. Let me know what you think. I'm loving any feedback you can give us, and gotta go jump on a client call now, so I'll catch y'all later. We have got all the client calls done for the day. We're meeting up with a couple buddies to go to Buffalo Wild Wings, so I'm kind of show you how to actually, I'm not gonna show you anything, it's just food. But basically, when you have a really high protein meal like Buffalo Wild Wings, you wanna offset that with a higher fat ratio meal. So before we went, or before we're about to go, I can't even talk straight. This is what happens when you don't sleep. So we're about to go to Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm gonna get 3 snack sizes of the garlic parmesan, 2 of the garlic parmesan, and 1 of the salt and vinegar. That's gonna put my protein really, really high, like 120 grams. My protein limit for the day is like 140. So I'm gonna have a pretty substantial fat bomb meal prior to going to Buffalo Wild Wings to kind of offset that protein ratio. I don't ever recommend having more protein than fat in a given meal. Always try and have at least the equal amount of fat to protein, if not greater fat than protein. Like, you're gonna be better off having more fat than protein to help slow the digestion of that protein. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, just hopped out the shower. Hadn't even put my shirt on yet. Look at this massive fat bomb that's gonna offset my protein. How many grams of fat is this?
A ton.
How many is a ton?
I have no idea. Like
120?
30 something. Yeah.
That is a beast.
By the way,
of a fat bomb.
I made it. Uh-oh. Is it good?
I think I'm gonna just keep wearing my shirt like this and just make this a new style. We'll call it the what are we gonna call it? The Robert style. Anyways, headed to Buffalo Wild Wings right now. What are you gonna have?
I'm going to have 4 naked tenders.
4 naked tenders.
With the hot sauce, and then I'm gonna actually have some veggies with ranch for a little fat.
Veggies with ranch. We don't ever go out to eat, ever. We don't ever go out and hang out with friends. Crystal literally has to like make it a point to schedule with people because I would just work all the time. So yeah, so we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna have some chicken wings, and that's what we're gonna do.
Baby.
Time for some BWWs, y'all. This is the first time Crystal's gone out. It's like just a normal restaurant since her show. Y'all, I have not been able to work out in 3 days. That is insane. Tomorrow I'm gonna crush my back workout. What are you eating there, babe?
She did kind of naked tenders with hot sauce and...
Alright, in case y'all are wondering, they are not keto.
But I'm pregnant, so I have an excuse, right?
Yeah. And that is mine. Yeah, buddy. All right, B-dubs in the books. That was so good. I'm so satiated, but I hit all my macros on point for the day. Can't complain. Back home from B-dubs, finishing up my fat bomb. This fat bomb is a beast, yo. So good. I don't normally like ghee by itself, but Crystal put ghee in here. It's got a really, really nice touch. Anyways, I wanted to talk real quick about like going out to eat and making this into a lifestyle. I don't normally go out to eat, first of all. I normally prepare all my meals. Every once in a while I'll go out to eat, but I fit those macros into my macros for the day perfectly. And granted, you can't really know with as much accuracy what the macros are on Buffalo Wild Wings. Like, they might have been a little heavier on the sauce. Like, there's a lot of variability there, but you can do what you can. You know, you can do the best you can. If you really want to take it one step further, you prepare all your meals, you count everything, you track everything, and that's how I do it when I'm in a competition prep. But again, I'm not in a competition prep right now. On another note, I haven't been able to train near as much as I'd like to this week because of all the chaos with like the making the keto bricks and just the traveling and the pulling on the all-nighters. I don't know how I'm even standing right now, honestly. So I'm gonna go to bed and just start fresh. But moral of the story being, do the best you can with what you got. You know, like, I don't have time for excuses. Y'all don't have time for excuses. There's no reason why you can't hit your macros or get damn close to them. And there's no reason why you can't, you know, be active, be physical. I didn't get to train as much as I'd like this week, but it wasn't because I wasn't physical and being active. Like, I've been very, very active. So yeah, just don't look for excuses. Don't try and sell yourself short. Don't try and talk yourself out of being disciplined. That's the main thing. Don't talk yourself out of being disciplined. Don't let temptation get the better of you, because it's not worth it. You know, that short-term high you get from, you know, just breaking the plan and getting off course, it's not worth the long-term goal, the end goal you get with it. So be the best that you know you can be and you know you're capable of. And don't sell yourself short. Don't think that you can't do it. Okay, there's a lot of people out there with much less going for them than you, and they're kicking butt, they're doing it. So yeah, you can do it too. All right, I haven't slept in like 3 days. I haven't slept good in like 3 days, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm training back tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna film much of that because I want to just like get in the gym and get in the zone and kill it. But I might get a couple clips, see how that goes. But yeah, y'all have a great day and we'll talk soon.